Ever feel like you're constantly busy, but not actually getting much done? You're not alone. The secret to massive productivity isn't working harder or longer. It's working smarter. It's about leveraging tiny, almost insignificant habits that stack up to create monumental results. Today, we're diving into the simplest yet most powerful changes you can make. Habits so quick, they literally take 1 minute or less, but will dramatically shift your focus, energy, and output. Ready to transform your day 1 minute at a time? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Simple Notebook, where we break down powerful ideas into simple, actionable lessons. We often think productivity requires massive overhauls, new systems, expensive apps, or grueling schedules. But the truth is, consistency beats intensity every single time. And consistency is built on small, repeatable actions. These 1 minute habits are designed to tackle common productivity blockers: procrastination, overwhelm, lack of focus, and decision fatigue. They're not just quick fixes, they're building blocks for a more disciplined, intentional, and ultimately, more successful you. Our first habit is the one thing rule. Every morning, before you dive into emails or social media, take 1 minute to identify the single most important task you need to accomplish that day. Just one. Write it down. Put it front and center. This isn't your entire to-do list. It's your anchor. Why is this so powerful? It eliminates decision fatigue and gives your day immediate direction. When you know your one thing, you can always return to it, even amidst distractions. It creates clarity and the satisfaction of completing that one thing early in your day. Unbeatable. It builds momentum and confidence. Try it tomorrow. Next up, the 5-second rule reset. We all have those moments. You're supposed to start a task, but you find yourself scrolling, staring blankly, or just not starting. Mel Robbins' famous 5-second rule is perfect here. When you notice yourself procrastinating or feeling stuck, count down from 5 to 1. 5-4-3-2-1 go. And on go. Physically move towards your task. Open the document. Pick up the phone. Take the first step. This isn't about finishing the task. It's about breaking the inertia of inaction. It interrupts the brain's tendency to overthink and pushes you into motion. You'll be amazed how often that tiny push is all you need to get the ball rolling. It takes literally 5 seconds. A cluttered environment leads to a cluttered mind. Our third 1 minute habit is a quick desk declutter. Before you start your workday, or at the end of it, spend 1 minute tidying your immediate workspace. Put away stray papers, put your mug in the sink, organize your pens. This isn't about deep cleaning. It's about creating a clear mental space. A tidy desk reduces visual distractions and cues your brain that it's time to focus. It's a small act of self-respect and preparation that signals readiness for productive work. A clear space equals a clear mind. Try it and feel the immediate shift in your ability to concentrate. We often push ourselves to exhaustion, thinking it's productive. But burnout is the enemy of sustained productivity. Our fourth habit is the 1 minute micro break. Every hour or so, take a full 60 seconds to completely disengage. Stand up, stretch, look out a window, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths. Don't check your phone. Don't think about work. Just reset your mind and body. This isn't wasted time. It's an investment in your focus. These micro breaks prevent mental fatigue, improve concentration, and can even spark creativity. You'll return to your task feeling refreshed and more efficient. Productivity isn't just about output, it's about your internal state. Our fifth habit is the gratitude nudge. At some point in your day, morning or evening, take 1 minute to jot down 2 to 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. This simple act shifts your perspective from what's overwhelming or missing to what's abundant. A positive mindset is a powerful catalyst for motivation and resilience, making you more effective in handling challenges. It sounds small, but consistently practicing gratitude trains your brain to look for the good, reducing stress and boosting your overall well-being. A happier you is a more productive you. Procrastination often creeps in when we don't know where to start. Our sixth habit tackles this head-on: tomorrow's top 3. At the end of your workday, take 1 minute to list the top 3 most important tasks for tomorrow. This sets you up for success the moment you wake up. No wasted time wondering what to do. You already have a clear roadmap. It also allows your subconscious mind to start processing those tasks overnight. often leading to clearer solutions in the morning. This simple closing ritual reduces stress, ensures you hit the ground running, and helps you detach from work, knowing you're prepared for what's next. This one is often overlooked, but incredibly impactful: the hydration cue. Take 1 minute every hour or two to simply get up, walk to the kitchen, and refill your water glass. Or better yet, keep a full water bottle at your desk and take a deliberate sip. Dehydration causes fatigue, reduces cognitive function, and can even lead to headaches, all massive productivity killers. This habit ensures you're fueling your brain and body consistently. Plus, the act of standing up and moving, even for 30 seconds, doubles as a micro break, refreshing both your mind and body. It's an easy win for sustained energy and focus. Email overwhelm is real. Our eighth habit is inbox zero-ish. Dedicate 1 minute at the beginning or end of a specific work block to quickly triage your inbox. Delete spam, archive non-essential messages, and flag anything that truly requires action. This isn't about replying to everything. It's about clearing the clutter. Get rid of the noise so you can see what actually needs your attention. This prevents important emails from getting buried and reduces the mental load of a perpetually full inbox. A clean inbox means less mental stress and a clearer path to focus on your one thing. We often dwell on what we didn't achieve. Our ninth habit reverses that: the success journal. At the end of your day, take 1 minute to quickly jot down just one small win you had. Did you make a difficult call? Complete a challenging task? Help a colleague? Even showing up is a win sometimes. This habit reinforces your sense of accomplishment, builds self-confidence, and provides crucial positive feedback to your brain. It's vital for motivation and self-growth. Recognizing your efforts, no matter how small, fuels your drive for tomorrow. There you have it, 9 powerful 1-minute habits that, when consistently applied, will dramatically boost your productivity, focus, and overall well-being. Remember, small steps lead to big transformations. Pick just 1 or 2 to start with this week. You'll be amazed at the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Simple Notebook for more insights on self-growth, discipline, and motivation. Let's write your success story, one simple step at a time. See you next time.